Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade right here on markets.com. Right now we are here at the dashboard from markets.com, and if you want to demo trade, it's very simple because we go right here to the three lines left in the top, and then we can click on switch to demo. Then we click here on continue, and now he will change right here to our demo account. Right now he's also telling us that complete your registration, switch to real mode and complete the registration because they always want you to register on their website. And now we can start trading. So if you want to buy something, for example, gold, we click here on buy. We fill in right here how many ounces we want to buy. So let's do 1. And then right here, if we select right here, place new order, we just created ourselves a position for gold. Now you can do exactly the same for a sell position. So right now you can click right here on sell and then do place new order. And now, we created ourselves a nice sell position short. If you want to buy something and go right here to advanced orders, you can put a stop loss or a take profit on it. But right now we can start trading on the way how we like it. So let's say, we want to search for something different. Then we go back and then you can search right here for something that you want to trade. So let's search for Bitcoin. Do they have Bitcoin? Yes, they have. And now we can also buy Bitcoin. So this is in a nutshell how you can demo trade right here on markets.com. If you have any questions, please comment them below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.